Hi friends, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Welcome. There's a couple things I'm excited to share with you, and I want to thank you for coming. So the first thing is tonight the moon meets the seven sisters, and what this is on the 23rd, the moon will pass directly in front of the Pleiades star cluster, momentarily hiding these ancient stars in its shadow. It's a moment of perfect cosmic choreography. And under a dark sky, which you can watch the stars blink out of existence and then reappear, a reminder of the vast, beautiful clockwork of our universe. And it's best viewed just after sunset. So find a quiet spot, look up, and see if you can see this beautiful occurrence that will happen tonight. Okay, along these lines, for Lunar Illuminations, which is an open collab hosted by myself and Junk Journal Magic with Kelcy, Creating with Jovi has noticed and saw, I think mainly she saw Sassy Southern NC Girl participating along in this open collaboration where anyone can join in, and she has created the most beautiful lunar kit, and of course I printed it out to share with you, because if you haven't joined in and you're wondering, well, I don't know, I don't really have anything to use, oh my gosh, here you go. And this is in her Etsy shop, and I'll make sure that that's linked below for you. So printing it out, I saw so many opportunities to create different types of journals, creating just a journal under this theme of the night sky and how fun it is. So let me flip through this to share this with you. This is probably the end of the kit. It printed probably backwards, and I just want to say thank you to my printer for actually cooperating. I was so excited. So I printed this on slightly cream colored medium weight cardstock. So if it's on white, you may get a slightly different color variation, maybe a brighter, crisper, but this is really crisp and beautiful, and I do like the cream. So we have these fairies, which immediately made me think of creating some kind of a fairy journal. I put that one on top accidentally, I'll say, because I printed two of these. I love the idea of doing a moon fairy journal. And then there are tags. I believe I printed, yes, two of these, because I can see how useful these will be in anything I create for my moon journal or any other journals that I choose to use this kit on. This looks like a fun little trifold, or it can be cut into 3 for tags. There's some neat little sentiments up at the top that can be used. And again, some cut aparts. Looks like we have postcards and some wax seals in the back of an envelope here. Beautiful. And some cards and some stamps. And then we go into some full-size pages, and these are just, each one that would print out, I would just stand there and go, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. So star constellations. Oh, here comes those fairy pages. So I can just see taking these pages and folding them and just doing a fairy journal. And you can print back to back. I chose not to because I just wanted to have some really good samples of each page. Not really sure when and how I'm going to use them, but when these fairy ones started coming out, I was like, I have another idea. So a fairy moon journal, wouldn't that be fun? And then this beautiful night sky with the owl, oh, and the little bunny, more of a different type of fairy. I was going to say more of an animated, more of a Disney, I think, looking fairy. Love her on that crescent moon. And then we have these rowers in some probably what, a lake or a river under the moonlit sky. So beautiful. And look at this one. Look at this one. We have an owl. Is that like a little puppy dog? Is there a little puppy dog out there? Just so magical. I love the way she's put the stars. And then this has such beautiful colors. And we've got people out. Now these are my computer. This isn't in the prints. My computer was doing a little thing here at the end, but I was just so happy it was printing so beautifully, I excused it. Look at this with the castle and the aura of the moon. Just so lovely. And some different colors here, some kind of pinks and auburns, magentas. Look at this one, this cute little seal. So pretty, the reflection of the moon on the water. Love this one. Just beautiful. I can see putting stickles, making those stars just sparkle, doing the whole page with like a glitter wash. So fun. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Jovi. This is a beautiful kit. I just love it. And I don't generally, well, printables are wonderful. I think that supporting our artists in their Etsy shops is such a wonderful thing to do. I'm glad my printer decided to cooperate with me. I am often worried that it won't, and I'm just, you know what happened is I threatened to get a new one, and all of a sudden it went, oh, I don't want to end up in the recycle center. I think I'll print for her. So, you know, I tried everything else. I tried the rebooting, the cleaning, we got a new Wi-Fi, not just for the printer, but I mean, trust me, we tried everything. So what worked was having lively discussions about it's time for a new printer. And then, look, it can work after all. Anyway, a little aside on my silly relationship with my printer. But let's get back to the seriousness of how beautiful this kit is and how fun it will be to work with it and have a beautiful resource to continue my moon journal. So join in on Lunar Illuminations. You can post anytime you'd like. Kelcy and I are posting on the new moon and the full moon, but it is also creeping into a lot of our other crafting. So, you know, we are hooked. We think this is a really fun theme to be crafting with. And along with that, I always have my eyes open for things that are going on in the sky. So I definitely wanted to share that with you for tonight. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.